We're making Lemonade Prime at home. I went to over 100 grocery stores and could not find Lemonade Prime. Therefore, we gotta make it ourselves. Now, let's do some shopping. Before we go shopping, we need a shopping list. Obviously, we're gonna need lemons and other ingredients to actually make the lemonade. Then we're gonna need a pine bottle, drunk by yours truly. We have a bunch of places to stop. Let's get going. Walmart, let's go grab the lemons. All right, we got the lemons. Lemonade, you get lemons, you get water, coconut water, got sugar. Well, Prime doesn't have sugar. Hold on. I got a way better idea. Liquid lemon meal. This would be way better because it already has a sweetener in there. There's 0 calories, which follows the whole Prime low calorie. So we get this, coconut water. I think we're on the right track. Okay, we need coconut water. Perfect, so we got the meal, mix it together. That's Lemonade Prime, homemade, baby. Dollar store. We're gonna go get the paint from Dollar Store. Yellow paint, let's go. So we need the exact color to match. That looks pretty close. The only other option we have is this one, which I'd say a bit too light. I think bright yellow might be the one. No. Sun yellow. So we got the matching color paint. All we need to do is actually go paint the can. So let's go home. So now we need a custom lemonade bottle. We can't just have Lemonade Prime and throw in an ice pop bottle. No, that's just wrong. We need a Lemonade Prime. We got a paintbrush. Let's go. How's that looking? Now we're gonna let this sit and dry, and as they say, don't sit and watch paint dry. I don't know who says that, but it's a saying now. In the lab. So now we're gonna make the Prime. So we have a bottle of Prime here to kind of reference from. It's about 500 milliliters. So we're gonna have to get 500 milliliters of water. So there's a bunch of different ingredients. All we know for sure is it's 10% of coconut water. So let's start things off with 10% of coconut water and some quick math, guys. 50 milliliters of coconut water. And we're gonna be exactly precise. So I got a 5 milliliter tablespoon here, and we're gonna give literally 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have precisely 50 milliliters of coconut water. The next ingredient we're gonna obviously have is the water. So for the water, we need about 450 milliliters. We're gonna go get a couple of cups of water. We have the water and we have the coconut water mixed in. There's exactly 500 milliliters right here of water and coconut water. Another crucial ingredient to get that lemonade flavor is the Milo. So we're gonna go ahead and add the Milo now. And this one says for a 500 milliliter water bottle, you wanna have about 4 milliliters. And I got a 5 millimeter spoon here, so we're gonna go with 5 milliliters because why the heck not? Give it the extra lemon taste. Woo, that's potent. Boom. Woo! We're in the lab. Oh my God, I can't believe I forgot. Rule number 1, safety is number 1 priority. Make sure you have your safety goggles in. I'll stir. So we're gonna put this in the fridge so it get nice and chilled.
3 hours later.
We got the custom lemonade bottle, empty, nice and clean, and the homemade lemonade. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, nice and chilled. Time for the taste test. This tastes just like lemonade, and it's about 10 calories. That's a W. Guys, make sure you try the homemade lemonade and let me know how it tastes in the comments below. And you tell me if it's worth it. Great Prime.
Taking my step back 'cause I want that.